Hello class, in this video I'll be showing you an application of the indefinite integral. Let's begin. The marginal cost in hundreds of dollars to produce Q number of computers is given by C of Q. The cost of producing one computer is $250. Determine the cost function for this scenario. To determine the cost function, we're going to have to set up an indefinite integral. If we were to evaluate the indefinite integral of a marginal function, the result would be a total function plus some constant k. So I'm going to set up an indefinite integral with C of Q. That will look like this. To apply the sum and difference rule, we're going to have to separate the rational expression into two fractions with a common denominator of 2q. That will look like this. Now I'm going to apply the sum and difference rule and the coefficient rule. That will look like this. So the antiderivative is 3/2 times q plus 2 times the natural log of the absolute value of q plus k. And we're using k for the constant, so we are not confused with the c in the marginal cost function and the capital C in the total cost function. Since q is going to be greater than 0, we don't need the absolute value bars. So we're going to have 3/2 times q plus 2 times the natural log of q plus k. Now if all we had to do was evaluate an indefinite integral, we would be done. However, we are trying to find a total cost function. So we need to find the value of k. To do that, we're going to use the fact that the cost to produce one computer is $250. Total cost is in hundreds. This means 250 can be written as 2.500, which implies that x is 2.5. So capital C of 1 has to equal 2.5. So to solve for k, I'm going to substitute 1 for q and set the expression equal to 2.5. That will look like this. The natural log of 1 is equal to 0. So we're going to have k is equal to 1. So the total cost function is capital C of q is equal to 3/2 times q plus 2 times the natural log of q plus 1. And we are done.